Good evening. Today we are going to solve one problem that is on eccentric footing. So we have that problem. Uh, Column ISHB 350 at 661 Newton per meter has to carry a factorial load of 1200 kilonewton, and this is at an eccentricity of 75 millimeter from center of the column. Design the slab base plate. Concrete foundation is of M20. So properties of this section, we have D 350 millimeter, BF 250, TW 10.1, and TF 11.6 millimeter. P is 1200 kilonewton, E 75 millimeter. Dimensions of this slab base, already we have seen that we are going to provide 100 cantilever projection beyond face of the column. Then we will get L equal to 350 plus 100 plus 100, 550 millimeters. Then we have to check it E by L. So E by L we have 75 upon 550, which will be 0.14, and 1 by 6 value we have, that is equal to, we have 0.167, and so less than uh, L by 6, we can say, and therefore base plate is in compression throughout. Then we are going to find value of B, which we know 2p upon 0.4 fck by L. We will get it 484.84 millimeter. So we are going to provide dimension of the base plate 490 by 550 millimeter. Then step 2, we have to find extreme pressure intensities P max and P min, which will be P by A 1 plus minus 6E by L. So P by A 1 plus minus 6E by L. We will substitute the value. P we have 1200 10 raised to 3. Dimensions 490 into 550. 1 plus minus 6. E is 75. L is 550. And from this we will get P max 8.1 Newton per mm square. P mean 0.81 Newton per mm square. So this is our second step, where we are going to find out maximum and minimum pressure intensities. Then we have this, you can see this 0.81 Newton per mm square, 8.1 Newton per mm square. So we have to find out now bending moment about this XX. We have to design for cantilever projection, and we have this as 100 millimeter. We are going to provide a cantilever projection as 100 millimeter, and then we have to find out bending moment due to this pressure intensity. So we have this as P, and then P we can find it. So we are going to make it as a rectangle and triangle. So we have 0.81, and then we will find this value. This value we will get it as 8.1 minus 0.81, and then divided by this total we have 550, and then we are going to multiply it by 450, because we have this distance as 450, and from this we are going to get value of P total, and that we are going to get it as 6.77 Newton per mm square. Now step 3, we have thickness of the base plate. So we have this as 6.77, and then we have MD, that is same as we have in actually loaded basis, that is gusseted and slab base, same we are going to use over here. Bending moment at XX, so we are going to make it as rectangle and triangle. So how we will get it as, so we will have this as 0.81, and then remaining part we are going to be in this position, so which will be triangular, and this value will be 6.77 minus 0.81, and this will be triangular and will act at CG, and we are taking moment about this portion, so we will have this as 2/3 of 100, and then here it will be at center, so that will be 100 by 2, and then we are going to take moment about this. So this will be my UDL, and this will be triangular load, and then you can see this 6.77 into 100 into 100 by 2. So sorry, so we have this triangle portion, and then this portion we are going to get it as, so we are like this, so not that portion, so we have this portion which will be 6.77, not 0.81 actually, and this portion we have 8.1 minus 6.77. I have considered this total actually 0.81. So not 0.81, we have to consider this portion where we have this value as 6.77 and 8.1. And then we have this will be first UDL 6.77 into 100 into 100 by 2 plus half this triangle. So 8.1 minus 6.77 into 100, and this will be CG from here, two-third of 100, that is two-third of 100, and we will get moment at XX, and knowing moment at MD we will equate it, and from this we will get T29.02 millimeter, and we will provide base plate 490 by 550 by 30 millimeter. So this is about the problem which is of eccentric footing, or we can say footing which is for axial load and moment. So today we will stop here only. Next lecture we will see other part. Thank you.